How to teleport to the spawn point in Minecraft Bedrock. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to teleport to the spawn point in Minecraft Bedrock. With the ability to set spawn points in other dimensions in the upcoming 1.16 version, either via a respawn anchor in the Nether, some custom overworld-like dimension with the recently introduced experimental additions in the snapshot, it would be useful to have a command to teleport a player back to their saved spawn point, if applicable, or world spawn. Killing a player can technically accomplish this, but potentially at the loss of their items and levels, and adversely affecting their statistics when it is not intended to do so. It will suggest a command such as /spawn username or target selector, defaults to teleporting the entity executing the command to their saved spawn point and dimension, or world spawn if none found. Teleports some player to their saved spawn point and dimension, or world spawn if none found. Teleports all loaded entities to their own saved spawn point and dimension, or world spawn if none found. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.